Ndioma ekelemunu. Today we're going to learn the different ways we can talk about the word carry. So the first one we will see is carry itself. In Igbo, it is called buru. To carry something is buru. And now when we want to say lift up, we say bulie. Say with me, bulie. The next word we're going to learn is how to say drop it. So I've lifted up something and I want to drop it now. I say busa. Again, busa. The next one is when I want to take that thing away, I want to carry it away. I say bupu. Okay, bupu. Bupu. And the next one is when I want to say bring it to me. I say bute. Again, bute. I hope you learned something. Ahambo Oriako Princess Enyinna-Okoro. Nke si na Igbo dị mma, ebe anyị na-akụziri ụmụaka na ndị ka na-ebido asụsụ Igbo ka ha ghọta ya. Ka ọ dị.